G'day guys, I'm back. I did get the battery out, or should I say Bobby got the battery out. I had it standing on its side like that. I left it there and Bobby walked past it, knocked it over, and the battery just came out after all that. Good on you, Bob. He's having a drink of water in his bath. So I just bit the bullet. It's too awkward to pull the old ones out, the thrusters, and put the new ones in. So what I've done, I've taken the screws out, these screws here, like that. These screws and the side screws, the face around the camera and the lights, and it makes it easier. So I've installed 1, 2, 3 all up, and just got to do the wiring properly, make it neat. That one, they're brand new. Oh, 2 more screws to put in. That one's new. That one's not too bad actually, I'll leave that one. But I think, so left and rights, one's a bit scratchy, but they might come good in the water. I might leave them for now. That one, you can turn it, but it's a bugger. This one's seized. Sort of, yeah, I'll just change that. But I'm gonna, it's got sand or something in it. Or a bit of seaweed, dried seaweed. I've tried soaking it in the water and put WD-40 and also other lubes in there, but I've got them free, but they're too stiff and they'll seize up again. So that one, I'll just change these 2 left and right. So I've actually marked on here, that's right, that's left, that's the top. Just so when I've been pulling these covers off, I pulled this side off here to make it easy to get the motors in. Okay guys, let's see how that goes. Anyway, I finally got all the thrusters in, bit of mucking around, something really hard, but I ended up putting blue tack on the end of a screwdriver to hold it in place because they're not magnetic, those screws, they're aluminium, they're not metal. And I'll just give this a bit of a rub first. Hopefully it is a bit of battery in. If it doesn't go the first time, the bracket just fell off. It might be a bit warped, I think, but I'll try and straighten it. Hopefully it'll go in. So let's give this a go, guys. I might put some BDW40